Hello. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, mga loves. Kasi today is my math exam. So, in a few minutes time, I have to log in. And yeah, crack on with my math. Oh my gosh, mga loves. I'm so happy kasi today is my math exam and yeah, I passed it kasi I was so stressing about this math exam kasi sa third year kasi you need to have 100%. So I was stressing myself like, oh my gosh, what I gonna do? What I gonna do if I don't pass? So luckily, first attempt, nakapasa naman tayo. So, kung hindi ka makapasa sa first attempt, merong second and third for this day. Kung hindi mo pa din mapasa yung pangatlong attempt, you will have 2 more tries and I don't know what happened next if hindi ka papasa dyan. But yeah, that's one done and that's one tick off of my list. Come on now, Lassie! So, today we're going out with Ate Janice. Muli-dinner kami. Dadalhin natin ito. Ito yung birthday Christmas present ko. Ngayon kami magkikita kasi malapit na din yung birthday niya and malapit na din ako bumalik sa aking OJT. And of course, pag nag-OJT ako, busy. I don't know if we are able to meet up before the Christmas or after Christmas. Kasi busy din siya. By the way, mga palangga, si Ate Janice nagbablog din pala. Ilalagay ko yung channel niya. Follow if you like. So, yes, you're creeping up.
Here's Mr. Handsome.
Mr. Handsome, come on.
Oh, what's my number?
Are we going?
You tend to. You're looking very hot and sexy today, darling.
Really? Always.
You look like a hot, sexy mathematician.
I'm so happy, mga palangga, kasi I passed my math on first attempt. So, sa first year, second year, third year, I passed my math exam on the first attempt. So, I'm so happy kasi alam ko sarili ko na I'm not good at math. But, yeah, with determination and practice.
Can't be that bad, darling, if you passed every one.
Kasi ako talaga, pag math na ako, yung ulo ko parang wala nang papasok. So, that's it. That's done. Yun na yung last math exam ko for this course. Kaya, parang, sobrang saya lang ng feeling kasi looking back sa mga old videos ko, mga palangga, nung first day of school ko, parang hala. And now looking at myself today, parang sabi ko sarili ko, you've done well to get this far, you know? Kinikilig ako. Tingnan nyo naman mga palangga, 6 o'clock pa lang at ito na, sobrang dilim na. Winter na talaga. Is it open? Oh no, it's open. Right, I will try to vlog in there, mga palangga, but no guarantee kasi ayaw ko mag-vlog pag may music. Kasi ma-copyright tayo. You see, may mga lights dito, oh.
Where's that light coming from?
I don't know. Anyway, nandito na kami, mga loves. Ito na yung restaurant. You got green spots on your bottom.
I've got spots.
You got spots.
I've got-
It looks like there's no one.
Go on, there's no order yet.
Come on,
And I can't up the folder.
come on. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Meron silang pa-music mga loves. Ito na yung table namin. Kami yung nauna. Tingnan natin yung menu nila. Are you comfortable? Ate Janice just falling. I can see. Nandito na silang Ate Janice. Ooh, ooh.
Don't fall down that hole.
Hello, my dear. Yung ano mo?
Don't fall down the hole.
Nice to see you.
What do you do when you walk in?
What you got?
Secret.
It looks so good. We're here. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog doon sa loob kasi malakas yung pa-music nila. Nag-vlog ako pero short vlog lang. Yung pinapakita ko lang yung food. And thank you Ate Janice sa kanyang pag-gift. Ako naman ito Ate Janice. Hello, wow! Ano kaya ito? Na-excite naman ako. Yung binigay ko sa kanya, wala namang ka-paper bag talaga. Patingnan niyo yung paper bag niya. Sobrang cute. Ako naman ito si Ate Janice. Ah, wow! That's nice. Cardigan. I need this kasi pag na-duty sa panggabi, meron siyang cardigan kasi dress.
That's yours.
I see now.
You had a lot before.
Oh, I like this. And they got a cardigan as well, a matchy cardigan. Oh, thank you, Ate. I'm not gonna try it now. I will try it tomorrow. I cannot be bothered to try, to be honest, kasi pagod ako. And ayaw ko malagyan ng makeup pa. Thank you, Ate. Wala, excited ako. Yung sa kanya is mga ano lang talaga, mga condiments. Yung mga pang cooking, baka kasi mahilig siya sa cooking. Kaya ayun. Thank you, Ate. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how busy today in the tea room. Mag-meet up kami ni Janina, yung kaibigan ko na taga Poland ba. Mag-meet up kami before ako mag-OJT kasi mabibisi na naman ako. And I think there's some event going on. I don't know if she's here already, but yeah. I'm home. Gosh, sobrang maulan. So, flower from Janina. Thank you very much, Janina. Every time talaga pag nagkikita kami, hinihingal ako mga palanga kasi tumakbo ako dito. Kasi sobrang lakas ang ulan. Every time na nakikita kami, meron talagang pa-gift tong sa Janina. Aww, Janina, you're so good. Nagbigay lang ako ng flower for her and a chocolate. Ano kaya to? Can I open it now? Tingnan niyo to. Sobrang cute! Santa Claus. Yung pang sa best friend. May nakalagay pa na best friend. So sweet of you, Janina. And bumili ako ng cake para kay Mr. I got chocolate cake, 2 slices of chocolate cake and 2 slices of apple pie. No, apple slices. I-open natin to. Ta-da-dan-dan-dan. Thank you, Janina. What is this? Wow naman! Prosecco and chocolate. Ah, thank you. Thank you so much. Lagay natin dito ulit. Ipangregalo natin ulit, Char. Joke lang eh. I'm just gonna answer my family kasi they've been trying to call me for ages now and hindi ko sila na answer kasi I was out earlier. So, bye for now. Kakatigil lang ng ulan. Ito na naman. Umaambo na naman. Dito tayo sa ating carrots kasi kukuha tayo ng carrots and parsnips. Hopefully okay lang sila. Ito malaki to So this is the first time na mag-harvest tayo mga loves. Hindi muna ako mapapakita sa inyo kasi wala akong ayos. That's a good one. I think yan lang yung kukunin ko sa carrots. We will see kung meron na ba tayong parsnips. We'll see. Oh wow! Tingnan nyo. I was not expecting that. Ayay. Ay. Hala naku, ay napuputol talaga sila. Struggle is real. Alright, magsimula tayo dito din. I can feel na hindi sila mabunot. Ang iba maliliit pa naman. I'm not sure kung yung hindi ko siya mabunot malalaki ba? Kasi bakit hindi ko sila mabunot? Halaka. Another big one. So ito lang yung kukunin ko. Dalawang malalaking parsnips. And meron tayong mga maliliit na parsnips ito. But those are the good ones, ha? So, kumuha din pala ako ng spring onions. Tapos, yung ating lemongrass. And yeah, ito na. Hugasan ko na sila. And ito na yung manok. So, this is our hapunan tonight. Ito na. Ready na yung hapunan. So, ito na yung parsnips and carrot. Minash ko na siya. Yan. And our homegrown parsnips. So, diba? Enjoy, mister!